Hey there, fellow traders and currency enthusiast. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the euro to Swiss franc currency pair and exploring why it's been on a thrilling ride lately. Now, I'm not just here to report the facts, I'm here to share my insights and opinions on what's really driving this market. So, buckle up as we unravel the story behind the EUR CHF's recent surge and the factors that keep it in the spotlight. First things first, let's talk about the basics. The euro to Swiss franc pair has been on a tear, reaching new heights and leaving many traders curious about what's fueling this momentum. Now, personally, I think what makes this really interesting is the interplay between the eurozone and the Swiss franc. The eurozone, with its diverse economies, has been showing signs of resilience, while the Swiss franc, often seen as a safe haven currency, is facing some headwinds. This dynamic creates a unique environment where the euro to Swiss franc can thrive. Now, one of the key factors here is the Swiss National Bank, or the SNB, and their monetary policy decisions. The latest rumors suggest that the SNB might maintain zero interest rates until the end of 2027. In my opinion, this is a significant development because it directly impacts the Swiss franc's attractiveness as a safe haven asset. With low interest rates, investors might be less inclined to hold the franc, putting downward pressure on its value. This, in turn, creates an opportunity for the euro to Swiss franc to shine. Now, let's zoom in on the technical analysis. The euro to Swiss franc has broken above the 50% retracement of the 0.9661–0.8978 downtrend, which is a bullish signal. This means that the pair is not just trending higher, it's doing so with momentum. The monthly chart shows a reversal pattern, indicating that the recovery from the new multi-year low is gaining traction. This is a crucial development because it suggests that the bears might be losing their grip on the market. However, it's essential to note that while the daily studies are in a full bullish setup, the overbought stochastic and momentum indicators have turned sideways. This suggests that the bulls might need a breather for consolidation before resuming their upward march. The key levels to watch are the former tops at 0.927080, which are now acting as resistance. If the pair can break above these levels, it could open up the 0.9400 zone, which is a significant Fibonacci level and the top of the weekly Ichimoku cloud. Now, here's the interesting part, the support levels. The 20 DMA and the broken Fibonacci 38.2% level at 0.924438 could act as crucial guards for the bears. If the pair dips below these levels, it might trigger a correction. However, if the bulls can hold their ground, the euro to Swiss franc could continue its upward trajectory, targeting the resistance levels mentioned earlier. In my opinion, what this really suggests is that the euro to Swiss franc is in a delicate balance. The bulls are in control, but the bears are not far behind. The market is waiting for a decisive move, and the factors driving this pair are complex and interconnected. So, if you're trading the euro to Swiss franc, keep an eye on the SNB's decisions, the Eurozone's economic health, and the technical levels. These factors will determine whether the pair continues its upward march or takes a breather. Now, one thing that immediately stands out is the broader market implications. The EUR CHF's performance can impact global trade and investment flows. A stronger euro to Swiss franc could make European exports more expensive, potentially affecting the region's economic growth. On the other hand, a weaker Swiss franc could attract foreign investment, boosting the Swiss economy. So, the euro to Swiss franc is not just a currency pair, it's a barometer of economic health and market sentiment. In conclusion, the EUR CHF's recent surge is a fascinating interplay of economic factors and market dynamics. While the bulls are in control, the bears are not far behind, and the market is waiting for a decisive move. As traders, we must stay vigilant and adapt to the changing landscape. So, what do you think? Is the EUR CHF's upward trend sustainable? Are there other factors at play that I might be missing? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy trading.